Hello, welcome to Splash with OCL. My name is Jessica, a librarian here at the Ocean County Library. We will discuss book recommendations, new materials, upcoming events and programs, brief author talks, exciting news we would like to share with you, and other things worth mentioning going on within our library community. Here today I have Kate, a senior library assistant at the library. How are you doing, Kate?
Great. Hello, my friends. Today's Splash is about you. How are you doing? Seriously, how are you doing? Our to-do list just seems to be getting longer and longer, and now the holidays are around the corner. I know that I feel that I don't have enough time, and that stresses me out. Ever feel like you are running on a hamster wheel? Well, you cannot get anything done if your energy tank is on empty. You cannot enjoy your life if your inner battery needs to be recharged.
Do you have any recommendations for how Ocean County Library can maybe assist with winding down or trying to stay stress-free during the upcoming holiday season?
I do. You don't need to subscribe to anything or spend any money. All you need is an Ocean County library card. And that, my friends, is free to residents of Ocean County. They had me at free. There are so many items on relaxation, uplifting and inspirational stories, yoga, meditation, prayer, breathing exercises, music, and more. They are available in books on CD to listen to. We also have playaways to listen to books.
What are playaways exactly?
Playaways are like holding a tiny electronic book in your hand. You put in a AAA battery, plug in headphones, and hit the play button. If you aren't sure where to start looking, try our website catalog. It's at www.theoceancountylibrary.org. On the very first page, on the top right, look and you will see a search bar. Below the search bar, there are two options, website or catalog. Choose catalog, put your cursor into the search bar, hit enter. There you are. Put in a subject or author or title into the search bar. Let's try the word relax. Hit enter and you will find everything we have on how to relax.
That sounds great. Do you happen to be someone that likes to listen to the music while reading, or that can be a little distracting for you? Do you prefer it more as a white noise sound in the background?
I actually do, but everyone has a different way to relax. If listening to music helps, then consider borrowing from our large selection of CDs. Or what about taking advantage of OCL's digital music collection through our online streaming app called Freegal? While I'm talking about digital materials online, if you are picking up the kids or waiting at the doctor's office, why not try an audiobook that you can listen to through your phone or over the Bluetooth in your car? The free apps Libby and Hoopla are easy to install, and all that's required is the barcode on your library card to get started.
So do you prefer Libby or Hoopla or any of our digital materials that we have to offer?
I sort of cheat on this one.
Okay.
I like them both because Hoopla and Libby, you can find different books on both of them, but they also overlap. So sometimes if I want a certain book or audiobook, ebook, I can find it on Hoopla right away. And maybe when I went to Libby, I had to be put on hold. So I always tell our patrons, go look at both, because then sometimes you don't have to wait.
Right.
And if I'm really in a hurry or if I really don't want to wait for anything, you can always filter it to available now.
Right.
But
yeah.
I like them both because I'm a little bit of a cheater.
Yes.
And
I agree with you. I like Libby and Hoopla for different reasons. I love Libby. I love how easier it is to navigate. But I love Hoopla. I love their collections they provide for certain events or occasions or holidays. I find that to be helpful for me because I do like certain genres, or I like to dabble into something new and I don't know where to start. So I feel like the collections help with that.
Plus Hoopla, free TV channel.
Yes.
I'm all about free. So I have Hoopla and Canopy on my television at home. So easy to install. And with Hoopla, I binge there was I think it was a Swedish murder mystery or whatever.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I was like binging that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I really enjoy it. Then you can get movies and other things on
And
Hoopla.
a lot of people don't know that you can have that on your TV. And
I know,
Canopy,
I know.
I feel like we don't talk about it enough. I don't feel like we talk about Canopy enough and how much it has to offer in regards to like shows and movies.
I think years ago, Canopy was more documentaries and biographies, and now they've widened the net so much more.
Yeah.
And I tell people all the time when they first join the library, I'm like, install these 2 free channels. You're welcome.
Yeah,
You know?
I absolutely agree. Now, do you have any personal recommendations on any playaways or books that help you relax?
Learning how to relax is hard for someone like me, so I enjoyed a book on CD titled Meditation for Fidgety Skeptics. I enjoyed that. There was a playaway called the Breathe and Meditate collection by Rodney Lee that was convenient because I could put the playaway in my pocket and take it with me anywhere. I enjoy listening to playaways while taking walks.
Oh,
it's nice. And you don't drain the battery on your phone because you've got this little tiny electronic book and it's on its own. There's another playaway, Atlas of the Heart. Love Brene Brown. She's an amazing writer. She's very uplifting. She shared stories about her own experiences, and she has a great empathy about what life throws at us. And it makes a thoughtful listen. I really enjoyed that too. For a hard copy book, Chicken Soup for the Soul, 10 Keys to Happiness by Amy Newmark. Love the Chicken Soup books. I'm sorry, I'm a fan.
I would be shocked if we didn't include this in our discussion. I feel like this is a common collection to discuss, to relax.
And it's a collection of short stories, so it could fit into, like, if you've only got 10 minutes a day, take the 10 minutes, give yourself a little mini vacation. And music affects my mood, as we were talking about before. So I found a CD in our OCL collection that was relaxing and quirky. It was called Modern Meditations to the Songs of the Beatles. We have so many interesting CDs. I really wish people would go through them.
And we're still discovering them ourselves.
I know,
as librarians here. Right?
It's true. And in addition, my personal opinion, you can't go wrong with Diana Krall for jazz. Enya, of course, the queen of New Age. But I don't want to bore you with a bunch of reviews, but that's kind of like what I like.
Thank you, Kate, so much for talking to us and relaxing us, even just discussing all the things that can help us relax. I feel very calm right now, and I'm looking forward to really getting into these playaways. I haven't looked into them myself, but I plan to during this holiday season. Thank you for splashing your way through Ocean County Library with us. Visit our website and follow us on social media to stay up to date with all things OCL. Happy holidays. Thanks again, Kate.
You as well.